Greetings folks, in this video we're going to be talking about the next version of the RadioMaster Boxer. They have decided that black is boring, time for an update, time to regenerate interest in the Boxer. I have to say the Boxer is my choice for the best beginner's radio these days, for iNav, for general flying, for everything really. It's just a reasonable price, extremely well featured, all the buttons and knobs and things that you would want, running EdgeTX and with ExpressLRS or 4-in-1 versions. This is the 4-in-1 version with an ExpressLRS receiver transmitter in it. But this is the old version. What's the new version all about? Well, the new version's all about colour. And I chose the most outrageous colour that I possibly could. I'm never going to lose this in the bottom of my bag. I actually love pink as a colour, so you can see I have pink dots on my phone. I use it to make sure that I don't lose anything. The available colours are iron grey, frost white, mint, mist, hot pink, this is my hot pink one, cherry red, iceberg blue and lemon twist yellow. The only difference between this really and the old version of the Boxer is that you do get the colour choices and the AG01 Hall effect gimbals, which are absolutely beautiful, come as standard. And it only comes in ExpressLRS, doesn't have the 4-in-1 version. So you could buy a 4-in-1 module and put it in the back and have access to all the different protocols. But ExpressLRS version, lots of colours. So it comes in the lovely RadioMaster case. Doesn't come with a lanyard, you'll have to use your own lanyard. Has a very nice gimbal protector for when it's in the case. Comes with a 18650 battery holder, no batteries. Can accept any 2S LiPo or lithium ion and be charged through the charging port as well. Also in the case you get a little keyring, a charging and data cable, a screen protector and a little baggie with a little Allen key and alternate springs for the gimbals. Well, it is just a Boxer really, same as the other Boxers. We have a 2-position, 3-position, 3-position, 2-position switches, a latching switch on the top there that I use for arming, a momentary switch on the other side there, and you get a 6-position switch along the bottom there, couple of potentiometers, system and model buttons, and we get return, page forward, page back, and tele buttons down the bottom there. Does take full-size JR modules in there. The 4-in-1 module would be perfect to put in there. Comes with an SD card already loaded with the voice pack on it and everything, so it's just ready to go. All you have to do is put it into Wi-Fi mode, put in your passcode, and it will automatically bind to all your ELRS models. Now, that's about all there is to say, but I always like to take it out and give you a practical demo, so we're going to go for a fly. We have wild winds at the moment, so it's going to be a pretty wild and crazy flight, but let's see if the pink radio performs like it should, flying a Bixler in too much wind.
Welcome to EdgeTX.
It's a familiar sound, isn't it? Alright, so the pink is looking fantastic, I reckon. Makes me feel happy just looking at it. Takes a bit of the seriousness out of the flying. Black is boring. It's a bit of a pointless demonstration, but I always like to show things being used. So anyway, without further ado, let's go. I've got my arming switch on the latch button there, or my throttle cut at least. It's ready to go. Everything's going the right way. Now, although I'm sheltered here, there's going to be wild wind up high. How are we going? We're good to go now, and well, I can't look at my pink radio, but it feels good. Feels very pink in my hands, and the colour pink is handling the wind very nicely. Of course I'm being silly, but anyway, we're a bit too serious sometimes in RC, I think. There we go, lovely Bixler up there. having fun. Boxer is just a lovely radio, really. I'm not really a fan of the big colour screens on the TX16S. I think it's sort of overkill. It makes everything a bit too messy. It just looks confusing to me, that big screen. The little black and white EdgeTX screen suits me perfectly. And we have enough switches and dials and buttons on the Boxer to make it just a perfect radio for beginners, and one that will just last for the rest of your life, really. I could happily use this as my only radio. Just feels good in the hands. Nicely understated design with everything that you would need. And now it comes in outrageous colours. These gimbals feel fantastic. They are really the smoothest gimbals I've felt. Oh, look at the turbulence there. That's not going anywhere. That must be a big gust. But we're having fun. I've got so many black radios that it gets a bit boring. And be much nicer for demo videos too, having something colourful and bright. But it's going very well. I like it a lot. My wife loves the colour too. Her comment was, "Gee, I love that colour." And the Boxer is handling this perfectly. And the Bixler, well, the Bixler will just fly in anything. Just an easy to fly plane. Perfect combination actually, the Bixler and the Boxer. I'm a bit tail heavy, I think. Doesn't matter. Bixler can handle it. Nice big surf down there at the moment. But if I go too far out that way, I'm going to get into downdrafts, so I better take it easy. Anyway, that's probably enough. The Boxer Crush, I like it a lot. I love the colours, love the outrageous pink that I've got, the hot pink, and the lovely gimbals. Good stuff, RadioMaster. I think it's a very nice addition to the range. So, from me and the pink Boxer, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.